So, as I was saying before the video cut off, sorry, boys and girls, hunters and gatherers were just individuals that hunted and gathered their foods from whether it be animals or fruits or vegetables or things in the wild. They weren't privy like us and privileged where we could just go to the grocery store and get those things. So now we're going to practice some of these timelines and things together. So let's do this together. So let's stop right here and practice. Hi students, so this is your activity 1.1 that we're going to practice together. I just want to review over a few things. I know that you might think it might be difficult or maybe but ancient times or anytime you hear ancient, that usually refers to something that occurred very long ago, while modern times generally refer to events that occurred more recently. So that's just a cute thing, a little point before we go into our assignment. Also, I know that you see on this is your what type of timeline? Your vertical timeline. Good job, boys and girls. And BCE and CE are labels applied to years. BCE stands for Before Era, Common Era, and refers to the years that happened a very long time ago, while CE stands for Common Era, which refers to more recent years. So again, just a few little key points so that as we go over these timelines, you would know. It wouldn't be, just know the background information, boys and girls. Okay, so now, boys and girls, we're going to start with our vertical timeline. So again, the area that states. So the first thing that I did and that I wanted to show you is at the very bottom it has 2000 CE. And remember, CE is common area, which means a time that's more current. So I put modern times there. So tell me, boys and girls, what would be the difference with history that happened before 0 years before this, and how would that differ from 0 years after? Remember, BCE is something that happened very, very, very long ago. CE is more common area time. Okay, so I also want you to look here in this area. So it says here from 1800 BC to 900 CE is the time that the Maya existed. So this long period of time here, this is when the Maya existed. Do you see Maya here? That's a very long time. So also, if you refer to 13, where it says 1300 CE to 1521 CE, that is the time period in which the Aztec, so it's a little square here, the little square Aztec. And then the last portion, where it's 1438 CE to 1532 CE, that refers to the time that the Inca were civilized. So that's just you can see here that it's a short period of time between Inca and the Aztecs. They were very, very close in time. So this was just a great way and practice way to go through and see on the timeline where these civilizations in their time period. So we're going to stop here, and then in reading with Miss Puentes, you're going to continue working with this timeline. Good job, boys and girls.